In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blog website in Systeme.io. Hi and welcome to this channel. If you don't have an account, I'll drop the link in the description box. You can click on it and create an account and you can get started for free. With Systeme.io, you can create sales funnels, send email marketing campaigns, create a website, manage your affiliate programs, create online courses, and automate your marketing with integration. With that out of the way, let's get started. I've logged in already. I'll click on blogs because that's what I want to create and click on create. I need to name it. I'll say blog test, or I'll call it blog test for the sake of it, and I'll use my subdomain name here. If not, I can use my connected domain. And by the way, if you haven't connected your domain yet, I would advise you to watch this full tutorial. It's gonna show you how to connect a domain, your professional email address for email marketing campaigns, and how to authenticate and verify your domain. I'll copy this and I'll drop it here like that. I need to find a template. I'll show you the templates available inside Systeme.io. This is the first one. I'll go one by one and I'll put the timestamp. If you think you don't need to watch the template, you can skip to the next section. Preview. This is it for this website. This template is good for history website and travel as well. History and travel. I like it. It's nice and simple. Close it. And the next one is this. Preview. I'm not feeling this one, but it's up to you. I'll close it and let's check this one. This is good. I like this one. This one is good for, let's say, fashion and stuff like that. That's good. Personal branding and some things to do with personal development and stuff like that. Let's check this one. Yeah, I like this. I used this before, and one thing I will advise you to do is to use the template, but later I'll talk more about that, because if you try to create everything from scratch, trust me, you're gonna end up overworking yourself. Yeah, this one looks cool. I like it. And like I said, you can skip it if you don't want it. Actually, this is the one I used, not the other one. Yeah, it's this one. It's been a while since I use it, and let's see. I have this one as well. Let's check it out. This one is good for tech and automobile and stuff like that. You can use it for anything. It's up to you. But anything technology, this one is good. Then the last one, let me see if there's more. No. Then the last one is this. I like the simplicity of this one, but it's too big. Yeah, I don't like the way the image is too big here. Let me close it. That you've seen all, I'll try and select one, then we'll take it from there. I'll go with this. I'll select, then save. This is it, blog test. I'll show you this website. I'll go here and view. This is my website I created with. You know that Systeme.io can create a good website. If I go in, for instance, let me go in this one. See, this is the blog I created with it. You can create good stuff with it. First of all, I'll go back here and preview. You can see the way it looks. This is how it looks, but you can select any template. We need to go in. These are your edit buttons, blog layout, view blog settings, post, and all those good features. When you check here is the post, and I'll show you one example of the post, and I'll right click and view. All right, this is one post they have on it, which is cool. This is in a different language. I'll close it and the list goes on. When you come to pages, this is the home page, and I'll show you hover, right click. I'll show you everything before we start. Click on blog layout. Then here, if you want to change your logo, you can edit the logo. You click here and this is the logo they have. Let me X off this. See, it's gone. Then I'm gonna upload a new one. Select file. I'll click on it and open, then insert. Then I'll minimize it. I think 50 is so. I'll push it to 50. Yeah, something like this. And let me see if I can. I think I'll do 100 or 70. Yeah, 60. Push it to 70. That's fine. Then I'll save. Always save your way out. Then right here, if I want to change something, I can change it. You have the home. Then when you scroll down, it's menu items. Home is number 1. Number 2 is article. See, if you don't want article, you can change it to blog. It's up to you. You can write whatever you want. And number 3 is contact. Then number 4 is about. Yeah, like I changed it. You can change anything at all. You can change anything. And also, if you want to add more menu, click add item, and let's say portfolio is the name I want to call it. Then it's gonna generate, but I don't want to. I'll leave it the way it is. But the most important thing is what I did. Save. That's how you change your menus and stuff. Save again. Then I'll click on this arrow to go back. That's the layout. If you wanna view it, but you cannot change anything here. See, this is the logo. That's the way I created it. Something weird and simple. And block settings, there's nothing here to change. Post layout, this is how your layout gonna be, but like I said, don't mess up with it. Don't mess up. And I'll go back. The most important thing is, if you want to post anything, you're gonna click create, give it a title. Let's say how to make money online. As you can tell, it has generated the slug already. This is the subdomain name and this is the website name and the slug. For the description, I can copy this and just dump it here and change this to small caps. Change this to small caps. All right, how to make money online. Let's say for beginners via affiliate marketing, something like that. Then if you want to add an image, click on choose file to select. This is it. Click on it and open. Click upload. Then you have to take time to design it properly. To select the category, I'll put it in category 1 for the sake of time, but later I'll show you how to create one. That is done. This is it. I'm gonna go in. Then to create a post, you're gonna drag your text, drop it here, because this is the title. But you know what, I need to create a sub. I'll add sub a line and I'll call it how to make money over. Then I'll make sure it's on H2. Then I'll grab another text, drop it here. Then you add your text. If you want to add another sub text, you put under and drop it, and let's say change it to H3, and the list goes on. Then you save. If you want to add a button, you're gonna scroll down and grab a button, drop it here. It's too far. I'll grab it, post it here. If you want to change the text, hover and click on this icon, then send it to URL. Let's say I want to send it to Google. This is it. And if you want to change the color or whatever, scroll down. You can play with the size. If I want to increase the size, or if I want to reduce it to 18, you can do the height, the line, everything. If I want to change this color, click on it. Let's say I want lighter blue, something like that. Or click on it one more time, scroll down. Yeah, for the text, I'll show you how to change it. This is the main text. Click here. I can say access, and the sub text, I'll scroll down. This is the sub text. I will say it's free. Then the link, I show you how to add the link already. Then you click save. Then you move on to the next phase. Has been saved. Yes, leave page. If I view, I want to hover and view. This is it. Nice and simple. But like I said, this you need to take time to design it properly. And you can play with it. You can reposition everything inside. If you don't want it like this, you can change everything, because that's what I did with mine. Trust me, it's easy. And I'll show you my success. All right, on my page, when you click, let's say one of these, as you can tell, I work it out and I position everything nicely. All right, you can position the image in the center and the title. You can use different templates. It's up to you. Mine looks like that because of the template I use. It's up to you. All right, moving on. I'm gonna click on pages, then the home button. Show you how to go to home. You click on it and you go to home. If you want to change anything, let's say hover here, like the top we've worked out already. Click on menu, and if you want to change the image, you scroll down, and this is the image. You exit off and you change it, and when you're done, you save it. And that's how it works here. Please don't do anything, don't touch anything. If you like the template, don't change anything. Go up, go back, go to categories. If you want to change the category, let's say hover and settings, instead of 2, let's say you can change it to whatever you want. I don't want to change the name, but I'll change this. Let's say money, then save. It has changed to money. That's how you change the categories. But after your first post, delete this post. These are dummy posts. Or what you can do, you can go in, and instead of deleting, you can use this change the text, the title, the image, and the caption text. You're gonna use this template to add all your text, including the button and stuff like that. So you will make use of it. Change the image, the name, make it easy for yourself. Don't stress it out. But if you don't want to do that and you want to create your own thing, after your first post, delete everything. The post layout, this is how it looks like, but please don't change anything. Go back. All right, I'll use the arrow here to go back, and I'll go to post layout. And if you want to change something from the button, this is the best place to change everything. I'll close this, and you see you can change everything you want from here. And even if you have to link whatever link you have, you come here and link it. Let's say for instance terms and condition. I'll double click, click on the icon and highlight this, then click the icon. When you drop your link, then you click on it. This will change to save. Then you save. Then you're gonna add. You can link it to a blog post or a blog page, or if you don't wanna link it later, you can unlink it. That's how you do it. Then you save. Always make sure you save that little button. Then you click save changes as well. If you wanna add a social media link, hover on the icon, move slowly, and click on the settings. Then go back here, delete it, and paste your, let's say, Twitter link. Okay, this is tricky when you have to change it. Please, when you hover on it, go slowly and click on it. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. Then you click save changes, and the list goes on. But the most important thing is, if you want to change the heading and the footer, come to blog layout. This is where the magic is. Like for the footer and the header, the center here, don't do anything. If you click the icon, the body, you see you can't do anything here. Leave it the way it is. I'll go back. At the end of the day, you have to come back here when everything is done. Hover. If this is the post, you want to hover and click activate. It has activated. When I go back, reload, bam, it's here. Then you click on it, then this is the blog. But like I said, design this properly. Yeah, this is how you create a blog website inside Systeme.io. But like I said, go inside, especially the blog layout, and design things the way you want. Go to pages, categories and stuff, and play with it. But if you want to do anything special, click on your layout and go in, especially the footer, just link things properly. And I want to show you this one more time. Like, click on the icon if you want to change something, or if you want to edit something, highlight. You can see, I'll show you something. Privacy, I'll say privacy policy. And if I want to link, highlight it, double click, then click on the link, drop the link and save it. Or if you want to link to a page, click the page you want to link to and link it to it. Let's say if I click this, then click here on the select button and link to the page you want to link it to on the website, which in this case it's gonna be if you want to link to something. But I use this as an example, but in your case you should know what to do. And I will save again. But in most cases this is gonna be a separate legal. You don't need to do anything with this, and the list goes on. Do your thing and make sure you change this to your brand name. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.